Hi, are you fed up with cooking barbecue for crowds, using equipment that's either too small or simply a pain to use? Cranking out mouth-watering pulled pork or brisket for 500 people should bring you joy and fulfillment, not frustration and stress. The problem is you're using the wrong equipment for the job. Our PR Series roasters make it a breeze to cook anything that fits inside. This includes not only whole pigs, but also brisket, ribs, pork butts, chicken, and anything else you'd like to cook with indirect heat. Not only that, but they hold a bunch of meat too. The largest model can cook up to 20 packer briskets, 40 pork butts, or 60 whole chickens. Cooking with direct heat using the optional charcoal grilling pan, the main grate holds up to 90 burgers at a time. Here are 5 ways the PR Series takes the frustration out of cooking cases of meat for an event. They are designed to hold a steady temperature for as long as you need it. Their spacious cooking surfaces are up to 6 feet long, and for smaller cuts of meat, the second-tier grate nearly doubles the capacity. The cooking grates are food-grade stainless steel, so they are rust-free and easy to clean. Highway-ready trailers with flush-mount LED lights make it easy to cook on site. These roasters are easy to clean and maintain. A removable drip pan channels grease outside of the roaster while it's in use, and charcoal models come with removable ash pans. The PR Series is a favorite among caterers and backyarders for its simplicity and consistent performance. Carl Mason III says his PR60T holds heat unbelievably well. Dave Hunter says, "We have 3 PR60s and 1 PR72. We have the second-tier racks for all of them. We run from 1 to all 4 cookers on a daily basis. You can cook anything on them from a whole hog to vegetables and everything in between." Victor Marini has a PR60 and says it's the best set-it-and-forget-it smoker I have seen operate. Tyler Bloom claims the PR60 models are game-changing. So I'd like to invite you to exchange your frustration for fun when you choose a Meadow Creek PR Series smoker and start cooking for crowds the easy way. Browse these revolutionary pig roasters on our website and find your nearest dealer at meadowcreekbbq.com/PR.